How would you like to become a real estate investor with no money, no credit, and no experience? Let me tell you how wholesaling real estate can change your life by giving you more time, more freedom, and most importantly, more money. You can actually earn up to $20,000 on your first wholesale deal. Let me show you what a day in the life of a real estate wholesaler is. Now let's take a ride. I'm taking a ride to go actually take a look at a wholesale deal that I actually have under contract. Now let me tell you a little bit about me and my background. I actually have over 20 years of experience in the real estate business. I've done it all, from being a real estate agent to a broker to an investor to now wholesaling. Now, as a real estate agent, we spend countless hours driving around, showing properties. As a broker or an investor, doing fix and flip deals, dealing with contractors, pulling permits, missed timelines, just the headache of the fix and flip business, right? So it wasn't until I discovered wholesaling to where the light switch went off. And it was a total game changer. Doing wholesaling is like a night and day difference from doing fix and flips. Like it's much easier, free up my time, and still able to make the money, the same amount of money, if not more. It's like working smarter and not harder. Wholesaling is simply getting a property under contract that's below value and selling it to an investor that's the end buyer that's going to purchase that property. And the difference between the amount of money that I put the property under contract for to what I sell it to the investor for is my profit, which is the assignment fee.
167-560.
That's right. And then we sign escrow.
Yeah.
As soon as we have a bulk wire, then you'll be funded, okay?
All right. Now, let me break it down a little bit for you so you'll understand in numbers, right? So, I get a property under contract for $100,000, but this property is worth $150,000, right? $150,000. I actually mark the property up to $120,000 and I sell it to an investor who's looking for a good deal on the property. The difference between the price that I have it under contract for with the seller and the amount I sell it to the investor for is called an assignment fee. And that's actually how we make money as wholesalers, is through assignment fees. But again, when it comes to wholesaling versus anything I've ever done in the real estate business, wholesaling is hands down the best opportunity where you can make money by utilizing these techniques that I will teach you in the 6 Steps to 6 Figures Wholesale Masterclass. Now, this is actually our latest wholesale deal that we have under contract. Now, this is actually a really good one, an amazing opportunity. This property we got under contract for $150,000, and we actually already have an investor that's looking to buy this property from us for $189,000. But why isn't everyone doing this? If it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? The reason is because there's specific techniques that you'll need in order to be successful as a wholesaler. From locating properties below market value to marketing a property once you actually have a deal under contract to locating an end buyer or an investor who's looking for a really good deal. These techniques are all taught to you through my masterclass, 6 Steps to 6 Figures Masterclass. What's important about actually wholesaling real estate is not the information you learn. You see, we can get all the information from courses, from programs, from reading books, going to YouTube University, but the real world experience, the real hands-on experience cannot be taught in a textbook. When you're learning how to actually wholesale real estate, you need that mentor, you need that coach, you need someone that's in position to walk you through the process from start to finish. We teach you these techniques with our program so that you can master the game.